Hi everyone, we are a team of 4 members where 2 of us is now in an academic trip, but today we are present about Pegari Construcciones and specifically from its accounting department.
Pegari Construcciones is a privately owned construction business focused on building concrete structures. Their main suppliers are Cemex and Moctezuma, and their main competitors are Acero and Concreto Construcciones. Pegari activities. Pegari customers are people looking to build houses or buildings. The company mainly sells its products locally. Sales levels. In 2017, Pegari reported earning 72 billion pesos. The average cost per house was 3.13 million pesos, and for a building was 31.3 million pesos. Constructions, the product. The manufactured product are in this case apartment buildings as well as houses. Production process and description. The 3 main steps include suppliers, bid and designs, and construction. The steps for finance include construction pricing and cost estimation. The intangible steps are planning and production control, and the tangible steps are getting raw materials, design, and approved scheduling. Level of production. The administrative staff is made up of 22 people in the office and approximately 150 people on site. Some different levels during the construction of a house are site preparation and grading, walls, and columns and beams. Costing system. The costing system is process costing because they move from one department to another. The departments include gathering raw materials, the transportation of raw materials, lifting the house but just in concrete, plastering the walls, and painting. Accumulation of costs. The company accumulates costs according to the number of construction square meters. There might be changes depending on the material and the specification. Cost behavior. Pegari Constructions has 2 types of costs. Fixed cost, consisting of each square meter of paint having a price of 600 pesos including the utility, and variable cost, the transportation including gasoline, price of steel and concrete. Objectivity of the cost. Normal costing is used in the accounting department because the production of each structure is variable. Cost of the product. The cost of raw materials. Steel costs 14,000 pesos for 1 kilogram plus IVA, and concrete costs 1,400 pesos per square meter plus IVA. Detailed description of the product. The project apartment Suites Aurea constructs 1 suite at the cost of 2,000 pesos. The direct cost of 740 pesos is made up of raw materials like steel sheets. Indirect costs like administrative work is made up of Pegari salaries based on the actual time spent on the project. Inventory registration. The company uses a program called SilverSoft to record all purchases, payments, and sales. Regulations and laws. The regulations of Pegari do not allow for hiring of workers who are not yet registered in the IMS, as well as prohibiting the hiring of minors unless they first have a work permit. Environmental impact. Pegari's environmental impact includes water pollution, air pollution, and waste. Salary of the employees. This slide shows a graph with the salaries of the employees. In the budget, labor represents approximately 13% but can raise up to 50%. Safety. Safety is monitored by an on-shift supervisor. The supervisor is responsible for checking the condition of each uniform, enforcing mandatory water breaks, and potentially changing the working hours during summer. Cost analysis. The job costing system is the perfect costing system the company should use to calculate their cost of sales. Conclusion and recommendation. Shown on this slide is a chart of some of our recommendations.
Thank you for your attention, and finally, we hope that the company will improve by taking our advices.